Ayun. Okay, you have to for fare is 70,000 pesos. The songs natin is Sabrina Carpenter is musical. This is the calling for this is a Vanes 48 routine Vanes. Idol routine. Ano guys? Tamin ni Nani security notice. Please do not leave your baggage unattended. Please you report immediately any unattended. Okay. Arjun Kanja po idol. Arjun Kanja po idol. Estudyante, San Fernando. Katabi ng Petron. Right. Okay, security notice again. Do not leave your baggage unattended. Please and report immediately any unattended baggage or suspicious persons or activity to drivers, conductors, security for idol. Okay. So we have to do not Carmen, do not San Bernardo na lang idol is we have the attend for your useless to this is an useless to baggage your items, cell phones, wallets, ano, what is this? Bags and etc. Please your information bring out to the security notice under Pitco bus under Panin Transport Cooperative Idol. Thank you so much announcement.